Hey there, camera enthusiasts. If you're looking to take your photography and videography game to the next level, then you won't want to miss out on this new top cover function tile model button label for Canon EOS cameras. This small but mighty repair part is designed to enhance the functionality of your Canon EOS 6D, 5D, D, 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 70D, 80D, 90D, 7D, D, 5Ds, 5Ds, 5DE, 6DE, and 7DE. Think about all the amazing shots you'll be able to capture with the improved function dial and model button label on your Canon camera. Whether you're a professional photographer or just enjoy capturing beautiful moments, having the right equipment is crucial. This repair part will ensure that your camera operates at its best, giving you the confidence to take on any photography challenge. Don't settle for subpar equipment when you can easily upgrade your Canon EOS camera with this top cover function dial model button label. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless creative possibilities. And the best part, it's easy to install, so you can start enjoying its benefits right away. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing repair part for your Canon camera. Elevate your photography and videography experience with the new top cover function dial model button label. Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing photography and videography gear and tips. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your craft to new heights. Happy shooting!